Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, printer is offline error fix in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices, click Printers and Scanners. Open your installed printer, click Remove. Click Add Device. Click Add manually to reinstall your printer. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand print queues, right-click your printer, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Third method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Printer Spooler service, click Stop the service, change Startup type to Automatic. Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update, click Windows Update. Click Advanced Options, click Optional Updates. If any optional updates available, update it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.